So today we are talking about vegetable gardening, specifically the best vegetable seeds to sow in June. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, June is a great time to get your hands dirty and grow some delicious veggies. So let's get started. June brings warmer temperature and longer days. Whether you have a large backyard garden or just a few pots on your balcony, there are plenty of vegetables that you can grow during this season. So today we'll explore some of the best vegetable seeds to sow in June. First on our list is the ever popular tomato. Whether you prefer juicy big tomatoes or sweet cherry tomatoes, June is the perfect time to sow their seeds. Choose from a wide variety of tomato seeds available in the market and get ready to enjoy the delicious taste of homegrown tomatoes in the coming months. Bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon, is a unique vegetable with a distinct bitter taste. If you appreciate its flavor and its numerous health benefits, then June is the right time to sow bitter gourd seeds. Bottle gourd, also known as calabash or lauki, is a versatile vegetable commonly used in various culinary dishes. Sow bottle gourd seeds in June and enjoy a bountiful harvest of this nutritious and delicious vegetable. Carrots, rich in beta carotene and other nutrients, are perfect for June planting. Sow carrot seeds and enjoy the process of watching these vibrant orange, red, dark red, and yellow roots develop beneath the soil. Harvest them when they reach the desired size for fresh and sweet carrots. Cucumbers are another fantastic vegetable to grow in June. These versatile veggies thrive in warm weather and can be enjoyed in salads, sandwiches, or even pickled. Plant cucumber seeds in well draining soil and provide them with support for optimal growth. Next, let's talk about chilies. If you enjoy a bit of heat in your meals, sow chili seeds in June. From mild to fiery hot varieties, chili adds spice and flavor to various dishes. Just make sure to provide them with plenty of sunlight and well drained soil. Okra, also known as ladyfinger, is another vegetable that thrives in the heat of June. Sow ladyfinger seeds for bountiful harvest of tender pods. These nutritious veggies are delicious when added to soups, stews, or stir-fried dishes. If you are a fan of beans, now is the time to sow their seeds. Green beans, snap beans, or even pole beans, take your pick and start planting. Beans are known for their high productivity and nutritional value, make them a great addition to any vegetable garden. Sow pumpkin seeds in June and watch them grow into impressive vines with large and colorful fruits. Whether you use them for delicious pies or festive decorations, pumpkin are joy to grow. Radishes are fast growing root vegetables. So sow radish seeds in early June for a quick harvest of crunchy and spicy radishes. They add a zingy kick to salads and make a great addition to your vegetable garden. For a splash of vibrant color in your garden, consider sowing red amaranthus seeds. These ornamental plants not only add beauty to your landscape but can also be used as nutritious greens in your salads or cooked dishes. Next we have spinach, a nutritious leafy vegetable packed with vitamins and minerals. Sow spinach seeds in June for a continuous supply of tender leaves. Enjoy them in salad, saute, or as a healthy addition to your smoothies. Corn, a summertime favorite, can also be planted in June. The sweet kernels of fresh corns are a delightful addition to summer meals. Make sure to provide corn plants with ample space and good soil fertility for optimal growth. Before you start sowing, make sure to prepare your soil by adding organic matter such as compost or aged manure to improve fertility and drainage. Follow the instructions on the seed packet for proper sowing depth and spacing, and keep the soil consistently moist until the seed germinate. With a little care and attention, you'll soon be harvesting a bounty of fresh homegrown vegetables. And there you have it, These are some of the best vegetable seeds to sow in June. Whether you are a fan of tomatoes, okra or cucumbers, there's something for everyone to grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips and share your favorite vegetable to sow in June in the comments below. Happy gardening and I'll see you in my next video.